Hello, it's Nancy. Today I forgot to show you my kitchen window. Have some junk in the window that I need to move, I guess, to make it look presentable. Isn't that lovely? This is what I see when I do the dishes. You'd think it would inspire me to do the dishes more, but no. But I did do them the other day. It was weeks in coming, but I did it. See, there's all my earrings I made. Some of them, anyway. Oh yes, and this is the back door. It's not a cool door. I still need to put the trim on it, and I need to put the foam insulation in there to cover up the cracks. So I can't see out the window anymore. But that's my view if I did look out the window. Now you know all my windows downstairs. See ya.